Welcome back to the channel. So for Christmas, I did end up getting an iPad. It is the 10th generation. And I don't know what the color is called, but it's really cool. It's this blue. But anyways, now that I have an iPad, of course, I wanted to get a case because you got to keep this thing protected, especially, since it was a gift and, these are kind of expensive, honestly. So I got this case. We have it right here. It's pretty simple. I think it was less than $10. The company's right here. I think it's Moko. But anyways, it's a similar color to the same color as the iPad. I just kind of like keeping the color scheme, but we're going to open this and just put it on the iPad. So I literally just had to pull the tab and then you could just slide it all the way out. And here it is. It's pretty nice. It has the standard, trifold case. This is what it looks like. Standard, pretty good. I'm just gonna put the iPad right in there and then we'll just see how the functions work. So I got the iPad in there. It's a pretty snug fit. You basically slide it through the corners. And yeah, it's pretty nice case. You could see its entirety right here. I got it mostly because it was very cheap and it had a similar design. So like all of them, it has the kind of like sleep and awaken kind of cover. But yeah, here it is. It has slight logo design here. So if you don't like that, I don't blame you because I'd prefer that not to be there. But I understand you have to do marketing and that kind of stuff and have your brand. But yeah, this is the back. It's a little bit of a it's a different color than the front and it's almost like hard plastic. So that's probably because it needs to protect from falls and stuff. But yeah, overall, this is a good little case. You can do the same thing when you're holding, you have it like this and it's like sitting up. Just a few more things to highlight on this case. It keeps all of the ports usable and accessible, so you could see the the buttons and the speakers and like the charging port. And then also the back is scratch proof and fingerprint proof, so that is the reason why there's different textures and stuff, you see. But basically it has also it has a protection for the camera. It won't let it get scratched, at least when you just set it down like this. So yeah, anyways, that's it for the video. It's a quick one because there's not much to an iPad cover. Bottom line is just get one that's in your price range and just one that you like in terms of color and functionality. This one was less than 10 bucks. It's a nice color. It's similar to my iPad's color, so I went with it. But I'll link this one in the description below if you'd like to get one for your iPad. It is for the 10th generation. But yeah, also for fun, just comment down below what you got for Christmas. And yeah, I'll respond to some in the comments.